Scene script. Imagine a world where the 80-20th principle is a living, breathing entity. A character, if you will, who's always in pursuit of efficiency. This entity, let's call it Effie, would be the epitome of productivity. Effie would spend 80% of its time focusing on the 20% of tasks that yield the most significant results. Effie wouldn't waste time on trivial matters. It would be all about results, efficiency, and effectiveness. Ever seen someone at a party who's the life of the event yet seems to exert minimal effort? That's Effie. Think about that coworker who accomplishes more in less time yet never seems stressed. That's Effie too. Effie is a master of life's balance, focusing only on what truly matters. Effie personifies the 80-20th principle, reminding us to prioritize, simplify, and thrive. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, think of Effie. Focus on the 20% that matters, and watch your productivity soar. Remember, be more like Effie. Be more efficient, be more effective, be the 80-20 principle. And that's a